Moringa, also known as the miracle plant, is packed with nutrients, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory substances. In this video, we'll explore how to include this amazing plant in your diet by providing you with a few delicious and nutritious moringa recipes. One of the easiest ways to include moringa in your diet is by blending it into a smoothie. For this recipe, you'll need 1 banana, 1 cup spinach, 1 teaspoon moringa powder or fresh moringa leaves, and 1 cup almond milk. Blend everything together until you get a smooth mixture and enjoy the benefits of this superfood in a refreshing way. Another great way to enjoy moringa is by adding it to a fresh salad. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup fresh kale, 1/2 cup quinoa, 1/2 avocado, a handful of cherry tomatoes, and 1 tablespoon of fresh moringa leaves. Mix everything together and top it off with a homemade vinaigrette made with olive oil, lemon juice, and honey. Moringa can also be used to make a delicious and healthy soup. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup cooked lentils, 1 potato, 1/2 onion, 1 teaspoon moringa powder, and 2 cups vegetable broth. Salt the onion and potato, add the lentils and broth, and finally sprinkle some moringa powder on top. Let it simmer for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and you'll have a nutritious and flavorful soup ready to go. Moringa is an amazing plant that you can easily incorporate into your diet with these delicious recipes. Try one of them today, and you'll be amazed at how easy it is to enjoy the benefits of this miracle food.